Hey guys, on this video, I'm going to show you on how to add a favicon icon to your website. If you're ready, let's begin. Do you have a favicon icon file of your logo? Just in case you don't have a favicon icon logo, simply go to this favicon.io, upload the logo that you have, and this website will convert the logo that you have into a file that is favicon icon. Once you have this, the second step is go to your high level account, go to the site section, go to the media, and click open media library, and then upload the favicon icon that you have. So once you have this, click open, and it will go like this. Now the next step is get the link, and it will say here copy to the clipboard. Now, the next step is go to your website. So for this demo, I'm going to click the website here, Steak Restaurant. And this is very important. I want you to click the settings. Once you click settings, you will see on the right section the favicon URL. So you need to copy the favicon URL and click save. That's how easy to add a favicon icon to your website. Now let's check if we're able to add favicon icon to your website. So here you go, we successfully added a favicon icon to our website. So that's how easy to add a favicon icon to your website. So this is one way to show you that you can build a website even you don't have an experience. You can build website even you don't have an experience, zero knowledge, using the higher level. So this is how easy, not complicated, super easy, adding a favicon icon to your website. There's a lot of codes that we need to install, but with high level, super easy. So again, if you want to use high level, you don't have a high level account, what I want you is to grab this opportunity to enjoy the free trial that we have for you. So click the link. It's an affiliate link. If you're part of my community, join our growing community and join our every Friday free webinar, free coaching program to learn more about high level. Once again, it's me, Cap Joey. Before we end the video, I want you to click subscribe button and see you on the next video.